Welcome to the Oceanfront Builders YouTube channel, your trusted source for home remodeling and construction expertise. We are Oceanfront Builders, specialists in creating exceptional living spaces in Southern California's most sought-after coastal communities, including Malibu. Malibu is more than a destination, it's a lifestyle. Renowned for its luxurious homes, breathtaking ocean views, and laid-back elegance, this iconic beachside town offers endless opportunities for creating the home of your dreams. But remodeling in Malibu comes with unique challenges, from strict building codes to the need for materials that can withstand the coastal environment. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of remodeling your Malibu home. From planning and permitting to upgrading specific areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor spaces, we'll share insights and practical tips to ensure your project is a success. Whether you're refreshing a single room or transforming your entire property, this video is your comprehensive guide to remodeling in Malibu. Let's get started and explore how to bring your vision to life in this stunning coastal paradise. Remodeling in Malibu starts with meticulous planning. Known for its natural beauty and exclusive real estate, Malibu enforces strict regulations to protect its environment and preserve its unique character. Here's how to plan your project effectively. Define your vision. Before diving into the design process, take time to define your goals and priorities. Are you modernizing a dated home, enhancing its functionality, or increasing its value? Do you want to maximize ocean views or create private, tranquil spaces? What's your preferred style? Sleek and modern, classic coastal, or something unique? Having a clear vision helps you and your team make informed decisions throughout the process. Navigating Malibu's regulations. Malibu has some of the strictest building codes in California, designed to address environmental concerns and protect its coastal ecosystem. Key considerations include height and setback restrictions. These ensure that ocean views are preserved and homes are safely distanced from neighboring properties. The California Coastal Commission. Many properties in Malibu require coastal development permits, especially those near the shoreline. Fire safety regulations. Given Malibu's history with wildfires, homes must meet specific fire safety standards, including defensible space and fire-resistant materials. Slope stability. Properties on or near cliffs may require geological assessments to ensure structural safety. Permitting process. The permitting process in Malibu can be complex and time-consuming. It involves submitting detailed plans, undergoing environmental reviews, and potentially addressing community concerns. At Oceanfront Builders, we have extensive experience navigating Malibu's regulatory landscape, ensuring your project complies with all requirements. Budgeting and timelines. Remodeling in Malibu often involves higher costs due to premium materials, labor, and permitting fees. Setting a realistic budget that includes contingencies for unexpected challenges is crucial. Timelines can vary depending on the scope of work and permitting process, but clear communication with your team ensures realistic expectations. Kitchens in Malibu are more than just functional spaces. They're a centerpiece for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying the coastal lifestyle. Open concept designs. Malibu homes often feature open-concept kitchens that flow seamlessly into living and dining areas. This layout enhances natural light and creates an inviting atmosphere for gatherings. Large glass doors that open to outdoor decks or patios are a popular feature, blurring the line between indoor and outdoor living. Durable materials for coastal living. In Malibu's coastal environment, durability is just as important as aesthetics. Key material choices include countertops, quartz, and natural stone resist stains, scratches, and heat, while maintaining a luxurious look. Cabinetry, marine-grade wood, or high-pressure laminates withstand moisture and humidity. Flooring, engineered hardwood or luxury vinyl plank provides the beauty of natural wood with added durability. High-end appliances and smart features. Malibu kitchens often feature top-of-the-line appliances, such as professional-grade ranges, built-in refrigeration systems, and wine storage units. Incorporating smart technology, like app-controlled ovens and voice-activated lighting, elevates convenience and functionality. Lighting and design details. Layered lighting designs enhance both functionality and ambiance. Task lighting. Recessed lights and under-cabinet LEDs provide focused illumination for cooking. Accent lighting, pendant lights over the island add a stylish touch. Ambient lighting. Dimmable ceiling lights create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Bathrooms in Malibu homes are designed to be personal sanctuaries, blending luxury, functionality, and the calming influence of the surrounding environment. Spa-inspired features. Elevate your bathroom with features like freestanding tubs, positioned near large windows to enjoy stunning views while soaking. Walk-in showers, frameless glass enclosures with rain shower heads or body jets create a modern, open feel. Heated floors. Radiant heating under tile or stone flooring adds warmth and comfort. Durable, elegant materials. Malibu's coastal conditions require materials that can resist moisture and maintain their beauty. Flooring, porcelain, or natural stone tiles offer a timeless look and excellent durability. Vanities, solid wood or marine-grade finishes protect against humidity. Countertops, quartz and solid surfaces resist stains and are easy to clean. Lighting and ventilation. Proper lighting and ventilation are essential for creating a comfortable bathroom. Incorporate large windows or skylights for natural light, and ensure adequate ventilation to prevent mold and mildew. Malibu's outdoor living spaces are as much a part of the home as the interiors. With the breathtaking Pacific Ocean as your backdrop, these areas provide opportunities for entertaining, relaxing, and embracing the Malibu lifestyle. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Malibu homes often feature designs that blend indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding or folding glass doors open up living areas to patios and decks, creating a continuous flow that's perfect for hosting gatherings or enjoying quiet evenings with family. Key outdoor features. Elevate your outdoor living space with these additions. Pergolas provide shade and define seating or dining areas. Consider incorporating climbing plants for a touch of natural elegance. Outdoor kitchens include built-in grills, sinks, and storage for a fully equipped cooking and dining experience. Countertops made of granite or stainless steel are ideal for outdoor durability. Fire pits and fireplaces are focal points for gatherings and extend the usability of outdoor spaces into the cooler evenings. Poolside cabanas, luxurious shelters with lounge seating, fans, and lighting create a resort-like atmosphere at home. Sustainable landscaping. Malibu's commitment to environmental preservation makes sustainable landscaping essential. Use native plants, drought-resistant greenery, and efficient irrigation systems to reduce water consumption and align with the area's eco-conscious values. Permeable hardscaping materials can also minimize runoff while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Lighting and ambiance. Outdoor lighting enhances both functionality and atmosphere. Combine string lights, pathway lighting, and recessed uplights to highlight key features and create an inviting ambiance after sunset. A whole home remodel in Malibu is the ultimate way to create a space that reflects your vision while maximizing functionality and style. Whether you're updating a historic beach house or reimagining a modern property, this approach ensures every detail is cohesive and purposeful, reconfiguring layouts for modern living. Older Malibu homes often feature compartmentalized layouts that don't align with modern preferences. A whole home remodel allows for open concept designs to integrate the kitchen, dining, and living areas to create a bright, airy space. Maximizing views by installing larger windows and glass doors to frame Malibu's iconic ocean and mountain vistas. Adding functional spaces like home offices, guest suites, or expanded master bedrooms to meet your family's needs. Cohesive design across the home. A whole home remodel ensures consistency in design, materials and finishes using matching flooring, cabinetry, and paint colors throughout to create a unified aesthetic. Lighting design, incorporating layered lighting systems that flow seamlessly from room to room, blending natural light with artificial fixtures. Smart home integration. Malibu homes often embrace modern technology, include smart systems for lighting, automating indoor and outdoor lights with voice commands or smartphone apps. Climate control, with smart thermostats to help maintain comfort while reducing energy usage. Security, by installing advanced systems with cameras, motion sensors, and remote monitoring. Enhancing curb appeal. The exterior of your home sets the tone for what's inside. Consider updates like new facades with wood or stone accents. Updated windows and doors that match the home's overall aesthetic. Redesign driveways or pathways with modern hardscaping. In Malibu, garages are more than just utility spaces. They're opportunities to enhance functionality, organization, and even luxury. Transform your garage into a versatile space, A home gym with rubber flooring, mirrors and fitness equipment for a private workout area, a workshop with a sturdy workbench, wall-mounted tool storage and task lighting, or a guest or flex space by insulating and finishing the garage with climate control, flooring and windows to create a guest suite or studio. Efficient storage is key for maintaining a clean, organized garage. Use ceiling space for storing seasonal items or sports equipment with overhead racks. Keep tools and bikes easily accessible with wall systems like pegboards, hooks, and slat walls. Conceal clutter while creating a polished, cohesive look with built-in cabinets. Upgrading garage flooring and lighting enhances both appearance and usability. Durable and easy to clean, epoxy floors offer a polished, professional finish. Interlocking tiles are modular and customizable, perfect for creating unique designs. Bright, energy-efficient LED lighting fixtures improve visibility for workspaces. Incorporate eco-friendly features to align with Malibu's environmental values. Install solar panels on your garage roof to power lighting or an EV charging station. Properly insulate walls and doors to reduce energy consumption. Use sustainable flooring and cabinetry options made from recycled materials. In Malibu, where luxury meets functionality, flex spaces are a key feature of modern homes. These multi-purpose rooms offer homeowners the flexibility to adapt spaces to meet evolving needs, whether for work, relaxation, or entertaining guests. With the rise of remote work, having a dedicated, well-designed home office is more important than ever. Malibu's stunning views and natural light make it the perfect place to create an inspiring workspace. Key considerations include ergonomic furniture, investing in a comfortable desk and chair to support long hours of productivity, storage solutions with built-in shelves and hidden cabinets to keep the space organized and clutter-free, lighting that incorporates a mix of task lighting and natural light to reduce eye strain and create a welcoming environment, and tech integration with cable management systems, smart outlets, and built-in charging stations for a seamless setup. Flex spaces in Malibu homes are designed for versatility. Popular uses include guest room hybrids with a Murphy bed or pull-out sofa to create a dual-purpose room for overnight guests, play areas with safe, fun spaces for children featuring soft flooring, modular furniture and ample storage, and creative studios for hobbies like painting, crafting, or music with durable surfaces, task lighting, and organized storage. Efficient storage solutions keep flex spaces functional and adaptable. Use hidden compartments like benches and ottomans with built-in storage to keep items accessible yet out of sight. Modular furniture pieces that can be reconfigured or folded away help the space adapt to different needs. Maximize wall space with vertical storage solutions like shelves, pegboards, or hanging racks. Flex spaces in Malibu often reflect the town's laid-back coastal style. Use neutral tones, soft textures, and natural materials to create a calming, functional environment. Add personal touches like artwork, rugs, and decor to make the space feel warm and inviting. Outdoor structures and additions are integral to the Malibu lifestyle. With its perfect climate and breathtaking views, these spaces allow homeowners to expand their living areas while embracing the outdoors. Accessory dwelling units, ADUs, and guest houses are increasingly popular in Malibu for their versatility and value. These structures serve multiple purposes, hosting guests by providing visitors with a private, comfortable space equipped with a bedroom, bathroom, and kitchenette, generating rental income as long-term rentals or vacation accommodations, and creating studios and offices for a quiet, detached space for work or creative pursuits. Key design considerations include space maximization with open layouts and multifunctional furniture to make smaller ADUs feel spacious, energy efficiency by incorporating solar panels, energy-efficient windows and sustainable materials to align with Malibu's eco-conscious values, and seamless integration by matching the architectural style of the ADU to your main house for a cohesive aesthetic. Pergolas, gazebos, and cabanas add both style and functionality to your property. Pergolas provide shade and define outdoor seating or dining areas, adding climbing plants for natural beauty. Gazebos offer a solid roof and protection from the elements, perfect for year-round enjoyment. Cabanas are luxurious poolside shelters with seating, fans, and lighting to create a resort-like ambiance. Outdoor kitchens are a must-have for Malibu homes, combining functionality and style. High-quality, weather-resistant grills and cooktops make outdoor cooking a pleasure. Durable materials like granite or stainless steel for countertops and storage ensure long-lasting performance. Include bar-height counters or large dining tables to accommodate family and guests. Lighting and landscaping enhance the usability and beauty of outdoor structures. Combine pathway lights, recessed fixtures, and accent lighting to create ambiance and functionality. Use native plants, drought-resistant greenery, and smart irrigation systems to align with Malibu's environmental standards. Remodeling your Malibu home is more than a project. It's an investment in your lifestyle and your property. From planning and permitting to creating luxurious, functional spaces, every step of the process contributes to a home that reflects your vision and takes full advantage of Malibu's unique setting. Key takeaways include: planning is critical to navigating Malibu's strict regulations and environmental requirements. Designing your spaces with durable materials, smart technology, and a focus on maximizing natural light and ocean views, and adding outdoor structures and flex spaces to enhance your home's functionality and value. At Oceanfront Builders, we specialize in transforming homes into dream spaces that reflect the beauty and charm of Malibu. With expert craftsmanship, attention to detail, and years of experience, we ensure your remodel exceeds expectations. If you're ready to start your remodeling journey, visit us at oceanfront.builders or call 888-336-8586 to schedule your consultation. Let's create the Malibu home you've always envisioned.